If you're looking for home decor by Despicable Me, this video is for you. My name is Emma, your personal guide. Welcome to our channel. At any time you can click this circle in the corner, and get more info and real-time deals on your favorite products. Ready? Let's start. Number 1, Most Popular, by Despicable Me. Watch this video, choose your favorite. Number 2, another great product by Despicable Me. Number 3, by Despicable Me, Minions. Get your favorite home decor products now. Just click this circle. Number 4, by Despicable Me. Number 5, also by Despicable Me. And online deals, just click this circle. And online deals, just click this circle.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.